Hey guys, welcome on back to Brighten-Up-Sunshine, where every day is a new beginning. Today's topic is actually very super exciting and something, well, we could all use, but don't always notice. And it's body language. Let's talk about it. Did you know that people communicate through their body? That's true. Actually, they use body language more than they use words. That's right. By learning to read body language, you can actually understand what someone is really thinking or feeling without them saying a single word. Does this sound like an interesting topic? Well, stick with me. And by the end of this video, you'll be a body language expert. And hey, if you enjoy learning new things to connect with others, hit the like button, subscribe button, ring the bell so you don't miss any future tips, and let's jump right in. So, have you ever had that feeling that someone was upset, even though they said, hey, we're fine, there's nothing wrong? Or maybe somebody just actually smiled, but something just felt off about it? You might realize it, but your brain was picking up on the body language. Words are only a small part of how we actually communicate. Most of the messages come through our gestures, our facial expressions, and our postures. Hold on, let me adjust my posture. Okay, so stick with me. You're going to learn how to read the clues that people send with their bodies and become better at communicating. It's true. Become a better communicator yourself. Now, body language is a secret code. Our bodies actually use to show what we're feeling or thinking, even when we don't say it out loud. It's made up of little things we do, how we stand, how we move, how we actually look at people. For example, crossing your arms, well, that can show that you're feeling defensive and not open to a conversation. Smiling, see my smile, can show that you're happy and comfortable. But it's also could be a fake smile. And you can't tell because their eyes, you'll tell because their eyes will, like normally a real smile has crinkles on the eyes on the side, but a fake one, there's no little crinkles there. It's just kind of a fake smile. And it doesn't actually go into the muscles of the eyes. Pretty cool, right? Yeah. Well, why should you even care about body language? Well, knowing how to read it actually helps us connect better with people. Sometimes words can be tricky, and people might actually say one thing, but mean something else. But their body language, that is often the most honest thing. Guys, let's take this artwork, for example, as I show you guys art in my videos all the time. Go ahead and thumbs that up if you would. Is that a cool little poodle puppy or what? So thanks for today's artwork. And let's see, guys, let's get back into this body language here. When you can read somebody's body language, you understand how they really feel. And that will help you to build better relationships and even actually help you to avoid misunderstandings. Sometimes people don't know what to say, and we could take their words to mean something that they don't mean. But if we actually understand how to read body language, then we can actually not make that mistake so much. Let me tell you a quick story. There was a boy named Ben who always had trouble figuring out if his friend Alex was upset. Now, one day Alex said he was fine, but Ben noticed something strange. Alex was sitting far away from him and would lean back, and he wouldn't look at Ben in the eyes. But Ben remembered learning about body language. So instead of just listening to Alex's words, he looked at his body language. Ben noticed Alex's arms were crossed, his shoulders were hunched, and he was not smiling like he usually did. And Ben realized Alex was not fine. He was actually upset about something. So Ben asked him if he wanted to talk. And guess what? Alex opened up and they worked things out. Now that we know how important body language is, let's learn how to read it. Here are some simple things to watch for. facial expressions, number one. Smiles. A real smile lights up the whole entire face and engages the muscles by the eye area. If someone's just moving their lips, they might not actually be happy. Eyebrows raised could mean someone is surprised or interested. Lowered eyebrows often means someone's angry or confused. Number two, look at the eyes. Talk about eye contact here for a second. If someone is making good eye contact, they're likely engaged and paying attention. If they're avoiding eye contact, they might be nervous, uncomfortable, or just avoidance. Now, blinking. If someone is blinking a lot, it might mean they're nervous or they're stressed. Let's talk about those arms again. The arms and the hands. If their arms are crossed, this usually shows that someone is feeling defensive or closed off, unapproachable. Open arms, on the other hand, when someone's arms are relaxed and open, well, it means they're comfortable and open to talking. And fidgeting. If someone's tapping their fingers or playing with their hands, they might actually be very nervous or anxious or just impatient. Look at the posture. Leaning in. If someone leans toward you, like I am, to you, it shows that they're interested in what you're saying. Leaning back away from people, this could actually mean you're bored, uncomfortable, or you don't agree with what's being said. Now, slouched postures can show that someone's tired, sad, or lacking confidence. This is interesting. Look at their feet. Pointing their feet. Believe it or not, feet can tell you a lot. If someone's feet are pointed toward the door, they might be ready to leave and not fully engage in the conversation. So notice the feet. Where are the feet pointed? Now, how can you use these new skills in your daily life? Here's what I suggest. Number one, observe. Next time you're talking to someone, take a moment to watch their body language. Are they crossing their arms? Are they smiling? Is it a real smile? Is those wrinkles on the side of the eyes? Or is it a fake smile? Are they leaning in? Do they want to hear what you have to say? Or are they avoiding you and leaning away? Do they not agree with what's being said? You can actually match it. You can build strong connections by matching the other person's body language. If they're sitting relaxed, then you too try to sit relaxed. It shows you're in sync with them. This is very interesting, and a lot of people use this for job interviews. Use your own body language. Your body language sends signals too. Make sure to smile, keep your posture open, and use eye contact to show you're engaged and interested. Let's make a fun challenge. Next time you talk to someone, try to figure out what they're really feeling by watching their body language. Imagine you're giving a class presentation. If you're standing tall, making eye contact, smiling, people will see that you're confident, even if you're a little nervous inside. But if you're slouched over, looking to the floor, fidgeting with your fingers or your watch, they might think you feel a little unsure or not prepared. Just by changing your body language, you can change how people actually see you. Now, body language can be different depending on the situation. Here's how to use it in different places. At school or at work, when you're talking to your teacher or your boss, make sure to keep eye contact, have good posture, shoulders back. It shows that you're respectful and paying attention. With your friends, when hanging out with friends, use your body language to show that you're comfortable and happy to be around. Are you open? If you see your friend as fidgeting or looking away, it might mean they're feeling nervous and upset. At home, yes, even at home you can use body language. It really does matter. If you're sitting with your crossed arms, your family might think you're upset. But if you're relaxed and smiling, well, they'll know you're in a good mood then. Remember, everyone uses body language, even if you don't always notice it. By paying attention to the signals, people send with their bodies, you can understand them better and connect at a deeper level. This makes relationships stronger and helps us avoiding misunderstandings. If you'd like to learn new things, then go ahead and hit the subscribe button on this channel because we make videos like this all the time. Now, body language is like learning a new language. Once you start noticing it, you cannot help yourself but reading it everywhere. You just notice it everywhere. So here's a big takeaway. Body language is a powerful, very powerful tool. It's like a secret window into what people are really thinking and really feeling. When you learn to read it, you actually communicate better and build stronger relationships. Just remember, guys, keep practicing. Every conversation is an opportunity to improve your body language skills. Now it's your turn to get out there. And next time you're talking to someone, try to read their body language. If you can spot any of the clues we talked about today, let me know in the comments what you noticed. Did you catch someone fidgeting, crossing their arms? If you enjoyed this video, I hope that you don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications, and guys, share it with someone who could use it because this is hopefully some interesting topics. If you want me to cover a topic, drop the comment below. Remember, the sun always rises, bringing new opportunities for learning and growing each day. I want to thank you guys for the support, and I'll see you in the next video, which should be popping up, if not already. See you guys later. Have a good one. Brighten up sunshine here.